don't know if you follow this one. Microsoft had some sort of Twitter contest thing going on with Skittles. Oh, you know about this.
Really, really little.
It was like lime Skittles versus Xbox fridge. It was a very bizarre contest. It's hard to know what the crossover is there. But
I just read Skittles, Microsoft, and then a fridge. I was like, oh.
Oh, I mean, it's a problem we all have, right? You just read this headline. Okay, cool. I got the key components.
The keywords didn't entice me enough to read it.
Skittle, fridge, Twitter.
But
okay. Anyway, I guess there was a promotional fridge that Microsoft did around Xbox launch. The Series X. It looks like a Series X actually. It's black and what does that mean? Rectangular.
Yeah.
So they did this fridge promotionally. Oh, but that's a big fridge that Justine had. I think that we're talking about a mini fridge here. Yeah, not that fridge. Yeah, not that. That thing's too big, I think. Yes, there we go. The mini fridge. And I guess Twitter liked it as a marketing thing, and so it was in some sort of a March Madness style bracket against other cool marketing things that companies had done. And somehow that got lumped in with a lime Skittles, which I didn't even know that lime Skittles didn't exist anymore. I didn't.
Oh.
What is the green? What is the green color if it's not lime?
I thought it was green apple.
Is it really?
I could be completely wrong.
So if I take a green Skittle out of a regular Skittle pack, you're telling me it's apple flavor right now?
I don't know. Don't quote me on that.
Well, people are going to quote you unless you change what you said. Long lost.
Sour. Yeah,
no, but not sour. I'm saying the green.
But you're talking about the original.
The green one.
I think that one's lime.
But then it says, look at that top package, limited edition, long lost lime. Like it was lime, and then it became what?
I don't know.
Look at that. Why green apple Skittles ruined Skittles? It used to be flavored lime, and it provided a perfect equilibrium with the other Skittles. Green apple was introduced in 2013, and its more dominant flavor overpowers the others when you eat a handful. I don't know about all this, but anyway, that was the other thing. So in the contest, Microsoft was like, if we win this and get more votes, we're making the fridge for people. And Skittles was like, we're going to bring back the lime flavor if we win this contest. And then they were in a dead heat. They were locked. And then eventually Microsoft won, and they're making this Xbox mini fridge, apparently.
I heard it was really close.
It was like
crazy. 49-51 or something.
It was tied for a really long time.
Yeah.
I think Skittles might do the lime thing anyway. It was super hard to follow what was going on Twitter and a variety of tweets. But anyway, Xbox, they said that the first mini fridge they're going to send out is going to go to Skittles. Good sportsmanship type of thing, you know?